How to change friends on the Monopoly Go game. If you are wondering on how to change friends like removing or adding another friends, then don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go game. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto friends option right here at the bottom, just like this. Now to remove your friends, simply tap onto leaderboard. Now here you can find your friends right here. Now to change or remove them, simply tap onto their profile icon just like this. Then here you can find the three dot lines. Now tap on it. Then tap on to remove. Then tap on to remove once again. By doing this, you can see the friend has been removed now. Now to add another friend, simply tap on to add friends right here. Now tap on to invite, just like this. And by sending the invitation, they will accept your friend request and you can be friends again. And that's it. This is how you can change friends on the Monopoly Go game. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.